Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about new style of question paper and deleted topics from class 10th for the session 2020-21. As you all can see in this video that your question paper will come in two parts. Part A containing 40 marks and part B also of 40 marks. Part A will be your objective type paper, MCQs will come, and part B will be subjective. So in part A, first part will be a reading section that will contain 20 marks. Question number 1 will be MCQ based on discursive passage. It will be of 400 to 450 words and you have to answer 10 questions out of 12 given. So there will be 10 questions containing 1 mark for each. Question number 1 will be of 10 marks. Then comes question number 2. This is also a MCQ based on a case study factual passage. This passage will be for 300 to 350 words and there will be 10 questions in there will be 12 questions. Out of 12 you have to answer only 10 and 1 mark for each question will be given to you. Then comes part 2 literature. Literature part will be of 10 marks in part A. Question number 3 will be MCQ based on an extract from drama or prose. Any one out of 2 extracts you have to do. 5 questions will be there containing 1 mark for each question. In question number 4, this will be from your poetry. MCQ based extract will come from your poetry section. Any one out of the 2 extracts you have to do and 5 questions will be there in that extract. You have to answer all the 5 questions. Then comes your part next part, grammar. 10 question out of 12 to be done. Questions shall be based on tenses, modals, subject verb concord, reported speech and determiners. So beta, in this grammar section, preposition, clauses and subject verb concord. Wait one sec. Prepositions and clauses. These are the deleted topic and passive voice also. 3 topics have been deleted from your syllabus in grammar part. Then comes part B, subjective questions. Writing section will contain 10 marks. A formal letter in which the word limit should be 100 to 120 words based on the given situation. 1 out of 2 to be done. You have to do only one. You will get 2 letters and you have the choice. Only one you have to do. That will contain 5 marks. Second will be writing an analytical paragraph. That will be the limit of this should be 100 to 120 words. Based on a given outline, data, chart or clues, you must be getting some clue for this and you have to attempt only one out of the 2 given. You will get a choice. 5 marks for this. Then comes your last part, literature part of 30 marks. So in this you will get 6 questions of 2 marks each, but you have to do only 4. So 4 out of 6 very short answer type questions in 20 to 30 words from first flight and footprints you will get. So you have to do only 4 questions out of the given 6 and you will be given 8 marks for this. Then 3 marks question will be there for in 40 to 50 words. You have to do 4 out of 6 short answer type questions from first flight and footprints. Then comes your fifth question, 1 out of 2 long answer type questions from first flight. From your first flight book you will be getting 2 questions. From these 2 you have to do only one and the word limit should be in 100 to 120 words. Then the last question from your footprints book, you will be getting 2 questions. From these 2 you have to attempt only one in same word limit 100 to 120 words and you will be awarded 5 marks for this. Now let me recall about the deleted chapters from first flight book. How to tell wild animals will be deleted. Trees, fog, Miss Bill the otter for Annie Groggery. These are the poems and chapters from the first flight book which are deleted from the syllabus for this session. And from footprints without feet, the midnight visitor, a question of trust, the book that saved the earth. These 3 chapters have been deleted from your footprints book. So beta, this is the most important video for your deleted chapters and the style of question paper. You have to plan your revision according to this. Thank you.